Value, the method, allows us to go through an array and it actually gives us the values that are in the array. So we already have our numbers array up here. Let's come in and just flush this out. So now that we have our iterator object, we type that, copy and paste this, bring it on in, clear out that work. And we see that it gives us the values that are in here. Now, why would you want to use this? Maybe for some kind of debugging, testing. Maybe you don't want to directly touch the items that are inside of a given array. I'll let that be your judgment, but this is how you use values. It's pretty useful. Like, share, subscribe if you like what I do. Leave some comments, all that other good jazz that people are doing. I'll see you in the next video.